Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Today is Friday again. We are going to tell you about lips care, solar panels and poem. You viewers can also share with us your amazing experience on different incident, your poem and so on. You may contact on WhatsApp 956383085. 86176594487501064378. 12th Foundation of News Movement will be celebrated on 1st August 2021 in the premises of District Library, Asansol. There will be a recitation in Bengali, English, Hindi, Ghazal in Urdu, quiz for all, drama, songs, dance. Usually it is used to celebrate Foundation Day in the name of Movement Ustav. But due to the pandemic situation, it will be symbolic movement Ustav. 12. Please follow COVID guidelines. For more details, contact 9563830285, 8617659448, 7501064378, and another number is 7872104695. Do you know that you can earn even from the roof under which you are living? Yes, you can also make the roof of your house a means of earning. Actually, a solar planet, a grid connected top roof solar program run by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy will help you in this. Under this program, electricity can be generated by installing rooftop solar plant on the roof of the house and can earn a lot by selling it. You will not even have to bear the entire cost of the installation of this solar planet. For this, you will get a subsidy for the government. Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22 Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Comes to lip care, you should firmly believe in the saying prevention is better than cure. It is always possible to restore the health of your lips, but it takes time for the result to be visible, and in the meanwhile you will have to put up with the pain that lip problem causes. Here are some simple tips that will help you to take care of your lips. Do not touch or lick your lips. Lips do not have any protection of their own, which means that each time you touch them or lick them, they are getting directly affected. It is essential that you do not do anything that will make the problem worse. Never lick your lips. It might be feel good for a moment and also feel hydrating for lip, but once the saliva evaporates, it will leave the lips even drier. The enzyme in saliva are simply too harsh on your delicate lip. The next thing to never do is breathe with your mouth open. Imagine how much of moisturizer must get stripped away with all that dry air blowing over it. And the last in this segment is but obvious: don't kiss anyone with any infection on their lip, for it takes absolutely no time for an infection to spread to any crack on your lip too. Follow a healthy diet plan. A good diet is essential not just for your skin but even for your lips. Vitamin C and other nutrition reflect directly on the condition of your lips. It is essential that you stay on a healthy diet to have lovely lip. Stay hydrated by drinking lot of water. Staying hydrated is one of the most important things when it comes to healthy lip. Just as your skin needs to be kept hydrated from the inside, so do your lips. Remove makeup. Your lip need to be able to breathe by dying clear. Make sure you remove all tracks of makeup from your lips before you sleep. Use a damp cotton ball and wipe your lip clean. Keep your lips hydrated overnight. While we are awake, we know when our lips dry out. But this could be a problem when you are asleep. The air around you tends to dry out your lips while you sleep. Make sure you use a heavy or hydrating lip cream or some petroleum jelly before you sleep. You can also use cream or raw milk for some, or even ghee, clarified butter. Massage your lips. You can use your nutrition oil to massage your lips for about 5 minutes every day. This improves the blood circulation in your lips and ensure that they get the nutrition that are needed. Scrub your lips. Scrubbing your lips is important to ensure that they stay healthy and soft. Removing dead skin cell is a must to make sure that your lips don't succumb to any infection. Use any mild scrub that is available in the market or for lips. Alternative, you can make your own lip scrub at home with some rock sugar. Always carry a lip balm. You never know when your lip tend to start drying out. Make sure you have a good creamy and hydrating lip balm with you even while you are traveling. Use lipstick when stepping out. Yes, the good news is that it is good to use some lipstick before you step out. Since the lip have no nutritional protection, wearing a lipstick will help you add a layer to them. Using lipstick protection your lip from the sun, dry air, diet and other outside factors. Know when it is time to ask for help. Sometimes, despite all this preventive moisturizer and measures, your lips still need help. If you have tried the above them remedies and tricks and it not working, it is time to visit a doctor. Make sure you don't make it too late. Keep these simple and amazing tips in mind to get those natural, healthy and soft lips. Take care and flaunt your perfect pout in style. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. English rose. What trained beauty lays before me? I call her my English rose. Lips red like petals and as soft earthen eyes I could sink into breathless. I look and captive. If only I could bathe in her scent, lay my head upon her bosom, and sleep against the softest skin. How beautiful my English rose! How strong this feeling pins at my thoughts into my soul. Here is a beauty unlike any other, trendy, sweet before my eye. I could hold this picture forever and ever. Love my English rose. Matthew Holloway. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.